Wow.
The biggest component there was we kept export fruit on the local market.
Yes.
And it took about 12 years to get close to export parity. So for a long time we kept fruit we could have sold at a premium in Woolies. Which, I always say you have to act locally and think globally. And in retrospect, that investment was worthwhile. The first study was that we could possibly sell 400 tons, so 400,000 kilos in Woolies at parity. Now we move 8,500 tons,
Yeah.
close to export parity.
Like that.